Welcome to Captain Spiffy.
Hey y'all, welcome back. Here we are, Captain Spiffy World Headquarters, and today we're going to put on some side steps on an Epic E40FX. Now, as these come directly from the factory, just like this, you get 4 of these bad boys in each set. You're going to need 4 bolts, 4 nuts, 4 washers. The hangers are already installed from the factory. This is a super easy install for people who want to have that extra step, the look, and ease all in one. As you can see, there are pins that will only go to one place. It slides right in. You put your bolts in place and tighten them up. It doesn't get any easier than this for an install on side steps. I think they turned out pretty nice. They give it that extra look and ease.